Lastly, what I want to do is I want to break this latitude and longitude column apart. I would like to have one column that has the latitude, and I want to have one column that has the longitude. And so to break apart a column, you're going to go to the Data tab. And on the Data tab, we're going to use this text to columns. And so the text to columns, it's very much like when we were importing the data. You say, what is the delimiter? And for us, the first delimiter is this square bracket. So it's delimited with this square bracket. And so what it's going to do is it's going to say, okay, there's nothing before the square bracket. I'm going to get rid of the square bracket. You get rid of the delimiter, and then I'll put everything else in the next column. Okay, so then we'll click next. And let's finish. And where's the destination? B1, that's fine. So you see what it did. I'm going to make this a little bigger. It got rid of everything before the square bracket, and then it put the rest of it in a new column. I don't need this column anymore. Let me delete it. Okay, now we want to do the same thing again. I'm going to highlight it, go text to column, and we have a delimiter. This time, it's the colon. I want everything before and after the colon to be separated. So I need to put the colon here. And it will show me it's going to put the number before the colon and then the rest after the colon. Okay, that's good. Now I have it formatted as $. I don't want that formatted, so let me highlight it. I'm going to go to my home, to my numbers, and this is actually a number. And I want to have several decimal places for the latitude. There we go. I have too many zeros. Let's take out a few. Okay, so this I now have as my latitude. Now, this is my longitude, but I don't want that square bracket at the end. I'm going to center those so they don't bother me. Now, you could do another delimiter, but actually what's easier is just to find and replace wherever you see the square bracket, put a space, replace all. There we go. Now again, it's taking over what the rest of the table did for its formatting, so we want to make those numbers with plenty of decimals. I have one too many decimal because everything has a trailing 0, so let me get rid of one of the decimals. And there we go. So the big skill here was learning how to take a column and break it apart into 2 separate columns.